How to stop your phone from overheating. In order to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. Start by closing all the background apps that you have been using. Remove all of these apps. Once it has been removed, the next thing you want to try doing is head over to your App Store. Tap on this icon at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see all the application that needs to be updated. You need to update all of this application. Simply click on Update All and then update it. Once the update has been completed, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Head over to Battery, and then you have to enable Low Power Mode option. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is try restarting your device. Click on Restart. Most of the time, restarting the device has fixed the issue, so you might also be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.